What happens when you take one of our most popular safety glasses frames and pair it with welding lenses? You get the brand new Geardo IR3. This frame gives you the benefits of the Geardo and the IR3 welding lenses. The frame comes with rubberized nose pads and temple bars, with the nose pads being adjustable for precise fit. The build material is also a high-quality TR90 nylon material, making these glasses lightweight and durable. The IR3 lens has a wide, wraparound shape, giving you built-in lateral protection. Sporting a Shade 3 lens filter, this frame is perfect for applications such as torching, brazing, metal casting, glass blowing, and high-intensity UV and IR lighting conditions, providing IR protection at 93%, UV protection at 99%, and it has an overall visible light transmission of 14%. Lastly, the IR3 lenses are rated ANSI Z87.1 for high impact and are EN 166/EN 169 approved to ensure total safety while wearing this frame. Overall, the Geardo IR3 is a fantastic pairing of several safety features and is highly recommended by our Phillips safety team. If you have any questions or would like to look at these glasses further, check us out on our website at phillips-safety.com.